Hey guys, I'm Samina Chowdhury, also known as Samina Chow Blog on Instagram and Samina Chow on YouTube. Today I'm here to show you guys how to achieve this festive glam look with this gorgeous red lip using products from Fenty Beauty, KVD Vegan Beauty and Henriksen, all available at Boots. So if you guys would love to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching.
So first I'm going to apply the Henriksen Vitamin C Brightening Gel Cream. This hydrates my skin and makes it a smooth canvas for my makeup application. To keep my makeup in place, I'm going to prime using the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. This instantly nourishes my skin and makes it so smooth.
For foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation. It is available in 50 shades and very lightweight on the skin. I will be using the shade 290.
To conceal, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 290. The concealer shades correspond with your foundation shades, so whatever you are in the foundation, you will be the same in the concealer, which makes everything so easy. And also, this is a very creamy and lightweight product. To set everything in place, I'm going to use this KVD Vegan Beauty Lock-It Powder with this KVD Vegan Beauty setting brush, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes and also lightly dust it all over my face.
For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer in the shade Caramel Cutie. This is my favourite bronzer ever. It makes you look so sun-kissed and bronzed and blends out amazingly.
And as you can see, I'm applying the bronzer on my eyelids as well, just to pull the whole look together. I love blush, so I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush in the shade Strawberry Drip and lightly tap it onto my cheeks with my fingers.
For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Brow Pencil. It is a long-wearing and waterproof product. This pencil is really easy to use and glides on very smoothly. So I will be using the shade Dark Brown.
For my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. This eyeliner is so easy to use and the colour is really intense. This wouldn't be a festive look without some highlights, so I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in the shade Hustler Baby, and as you guys can see, the glow is so beautiful. I'm going to apply that highlight on my eyes. You can use this product however you want. So yeah, I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow. The mascara I'm using is the KVD Vegan Beauty Go Big or Go Home Mascara. Moving on to the most important part of the look, I'm applying the KVD Vegan Beauty Lip Liner in the shade Outlaw and the liquid lipstick in the same shade. Oh my god, this has the most amazing staying power, you guys. Even if you'll be wearing a mask, you do not have to worry about this budging. And as you can see here, I am literally demonstrating that this product does not move. I also kissed the back of my hand so you guys could see.
So that is the final look, you guys. I hope you all loved this look and also enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to Boots YouTube for more amazing beauty content. Hope you all have an amazing Christmas, and even if you don't celebrate it, I still hope you enjoy your day with your friends and family. Once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Bye guys.